Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, our today's lesson is about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers indicate the position or order of items in a sequence like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Look at the picture. On the edge of the hole, the first ant is there. The second ant is behind it. Then the third ant, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and at the last, 10th ant is following all the ants to go to their home. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.